Dates, the fruit of the date palm, Phoenix dactylifera L. from the Aracaceae family, are historically significant and widely consumed, especially in the Middle East and North Africa, with mentions in the Holy Quran. These nutrient-rich fruits are high in fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. They have a low glycemic index, support bone and brain health, and may even aid in promoting natural labor. This video will detail the benefits of eating dates fresh or dried, the nutritional value of a single serving of dates, and the side effects of eating too many dates. You'll also learn how many dates you can eat in a day. 1. Fiber. Dates are considered a significant source of fiber, with nearly 7 grams of fiber per 3.5 ounce or 100 gram serving. Generally speaking, getting enough fiber in your diet can help reduce belly fat and prevent chronic disease. The health benefits of dietary fiber are well studied. Benefits include reducing the risk of developing hypertension, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, obesity, diabetes, certain gastrointestinal disease, heart disease, and stroke. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. The plant compounds in dates, particularly phenolic compounds and flavonoids, are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. A review of in vitro and animal studies highlights that these compounds offer strong anti-inflammatory support and may help reduce inflammation linked to conditions such as cancer and diabetes. Additionally, the review suggests that dates contain ethyl acetate and methanolic extracts, which may be effective in reducing swelling symptoms. 3. Heart and vascular health. Animal studies have shown various heart health and vascular health benefits of dates. Results have shown benefits include contributing to healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels and protecting the heart tissue from oxidative and inflammatory damage. In these studies, concentrated date nutrient extracts are used on rats to determine the effect of these plant compounds on heart health. 4. Supports bone health. Dates provide a good source of calcium and magnesium. These are two essential nutrients for healthy bone development. For example, getting adequate levels of calcium is associated with proper bone formation and lowering the risk of developing osteoporosis. 5. Supports brain health. Dates are said to have neuroprotective benefits. Animal studies have shown the potential impact of eating dates and reducing the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases, like Alzheimer's disease. Experts link the brain health benefits of dates to phenolic plant compounds and antioxidants such as anthocyanins, ferulic acid, protocatechuic acid, and caffeic acid. Dates are a popular low glycemic index fruit from the palm tree family. They provide essential nutrients. Dates are high in natural sugars and are rich in fiber. They have antioxidants and other plant compounds that help promote healthy cell functioning and decrease the risk of diseases and health conditions, including cancer, heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. Dates have been linked to promoting natural labor without the need for induction. Dates are beneficial for fighting inflammation but can cause bloating if you consume too many. In addition, too much fiber from dates can cause stomach upset.